Hi guys, I'm Vivi.
I'm Mimi.
Welcome to our channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're new, please subscribe. Guys, hit that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Today we'll be doing no spoon, no bowl, slime challenge.
Yay!
So I am excited, but Mimi, how do you feel about it? Tell me.
Yeah!
But Mimi also feels excited. So guys, we have these ingredients. We have glitter glue, clear glue, and normal glue. So we will do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Come on, Mimi, let's do it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, you cheated. You did this.
No, you did it.
Yes, you did. You did that.
Mommy, did I win?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win that. I'm gonna pick clear glue.
I was going to pick.
Is that enough? No. More. Come on, Mimi, it's your turn. She picks normal glue. Oh, glue. What are you doing to the table? She's gonna make more glue.
Yeah, enough.
So, look.
I made a mirror.
Okay, what should I add? Cinnamon!
Ew.
I forgot to shake. What's happening?
I need help with this girl.
Need help with that one then.
I'm not making a slime. Thank you.
You just, I thought you were going to make a plain white slime, which I am going to do.
Guys, I got pink.
Come on, you can do this. What's important to me? Yeah. Should I help?
He's all lumpy.
Okay, that should be enough for you, Missy. Okay, what should I pick? What should I pick? Beads! These mixed ones! Glitter. Wow. You're just adding everything. Look at that.
I did too much.
Look at my Look at my wonderland for a slime. But I was going to pick it.
I'm making a rainbow one.
Well, you added everything.
Yeah.
She's gone glitter crazy. Stop! 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 You've added too much. For this round, I will add blue glitter. What are you gonna pick, Mimi? Go glitter glue. You've already added glitter glue. She's picked rainbow. Okay. You're doing it all wrong. Look, watch and learn from the master. So you get your nail. There we go.
I'm doing it.
What can you do? That. What can you do? What should I add? She added glitter, so should I add this one? It's a mixture of brown and green.
I got a brown and green glitter to add in. What are you gonna add in, Mimi? Green. You added a lot. Look at that glitter. You're just gonna be some glittery slime.
Enough.
Yeah, because you add a ton. So I feel like I'm all finished with my adding, but guys, should we add the activator? I feel like I've finished with my adding.
Not me.
You haven't. So should we do one more round then? Okay, not adding. Wait, is that black? Anything that's glitter, I'm adding it.
That's good.
Are you happy now? You happy with your adding? Of course you are.
Guys, when Mimi finally opens her bead,
We'll add in the activator. Can't wait to see if this is slime. This might be a fail for a blob. Look at that. Let's add in the activator. Okay. What am I doing, Mommy? Mine's turning. Mine's turning white. Actually, it's turning
a grayish colour.
Mine's turning blue. Mine might be a clear blue.
Mine's turning like a pinky grey colour.
I think I should have activate, but my hands are gloppy. Are you going to over-activate it? This is already slime.
You mean tiny?
Mine's already turning into slime. Just think. Teeny tiny bit.
This is worth turning Jennifer down.
This is the only blob of slime I've got so far out of this whole thing. I don't think mine's gonna get any better than this. Mine's a fail. Hers isn't though. Hers is forming slowly, mine's taking forever.
Guys, mine's forming.
Yeah, yours is. But talk about mine. I'm only adding a teeny bit at a time. So I don't over-activate it.
Mine feels a little bit
It's
weird.
kind of forming you.
Mine feels weird, guys.
Yeah, I think I'm over-activated it.
1,000 years later.
Guys, this is our slime. Mine is like a blue pastel color, not exactly pastel, but you know, a light shade of blue. Mimi, she got a light shade of pink for slime. So, Nina, how do you like your slime and what is the texture?
So it's like, feels weird.
Yes. My slime, it is like heavy. It's hard as well, but it's really crunchy.
Mine too. I'm gonna try and make a slime bubble.
This is our slime, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in our next video. Bye! Thank you for watching.
No, Mum, no, my ABC. Next time, what you sing with me?
No, I'll never sing with you.
Yes, you will sing with me.
No, I won't sing with you.
Yes, you will sing with me.
No, I won't sing with you.
Yes, you will sing with me.
No, I won't. the slime into shreds.